Hello students, today we will discuss about the topic methods of soil conservation. This topic is for class 5th. So let's start the video in detail. So students, before discussing the methods of soil conservation, we have to know about soil conservation. Soil conservation is a set of management strategies for prevention of soil being eroded from the earth's surface or becoming chemically altered by overuse, acidification, stentilization, soil erosion, or other chemical soil contamination to retain the fertility of soil. So students, do you know why is soil conservation important? Yes, it is very important because it provides nutrients, recycle, filter water, stores water. Soil is the basis of life on earth. Plants get nutrient from the soil and provide glucose and oxygen. Now we discuss about the methods of soil conservation, and first one is plant trees. We all know that the root of trees firmly hold onto the soil. As trees grow tall, they also keep rooting deeper in the soil. As the root of the trees spread deep into the layers of soil, they contribute to the prevention of soil erosion. Soil that is under a vegetative cover has hardly any chance of getting eroded, as the vegetative cover acts as a wind barrier as well. Next method of soil conservation is terrace farming. Terrace farming is one of the very good method of soil conservation. In terrace farming, make or form sloping land into a number of level, flat area resembling the series of steps. Explanation: decreasing the slope by making it resemble steps which are commonly found on the side of a mountain or hill. Types of crops that are used to grow: rice, cotton, sugarcane, wheat, potatoes. It is popular in eastern Eastern Asia. There are some advantages of terrace farming. It reduces erosion. Contour farming effectively reduces rate of erosion in soil with slope of up to 10%. Hold rainwater, which allow for the cultivation of water intensive crop as maintained before. Farmers use this technique because it allows for the cultivation of water intensive crop in these areas because it helps trap and hold rainwater. So the next method of soil conservation is crop rotation. Crop rotation is the practice of growing a series of dissimilar type of crop in the same area in sequential season. Continuous cultivation of the same crop also lead to an imbalance in the fertility demand of the soil. To prevent these adverse effects from the taking place, crop rotation is practiced. It is a method of growing a series of dissimilar crops in an area sequentially, planting 3 or more different crops before returning to the original crop constituent long-term rotations. Now, these are the advantages of crop rotation: reduce soil erosion, improve soil properties, increase organic matter content, improve soil fertility, increase crop yield, reduce buildup of pest, increase net profit, improve wildlife habitat, reduce soil of chemicals, and reduce water pollution. So this is all about the methods of soil conservation.